This is Pandemic Productions and a look at where it all happens every day for school days. Okay, so down to the basement. A little saying on the walls. Okay, here we go. This is it. Got my whiteboard, digital presenter. I got this special setup for kind of a ambient light to shine on the board. And here are the computing devices. I've got a Ubuntu laptop, a Windows 10 laptop, extra monitor I connect with it, and my markers. And this is my daughter's Barbie doll stuff. These are all, this whole array behind here, that's all the toys either from our kids or toys we got for our grandkids. Okay, so I'm going to change up here a little bit this week. Oh, and then I have to show you this. This is the timeout chair. So if you're naughty, you have to come and sit over here. I got some chalkboards I'm going to experiment with. So this is the layout. And that's it.